Managing team learning is crucial for boosting productivity, especially with the rapid adoption of new technologies. Now, Academy LMS provides the perfect solution with its powerful Group Plus feature. It empowers you to effortlessly manage your team's training or sell courses for team-wide learning. With Group Plus, you can create unlimited teams, assign members, and designate team leaders. Academy LMS handles the rest. In this video, we'll walk you through the process of using Group Plus. First, navigate to the Add-ons page and enable the Group Plus add-on. Then, head over to Group Settings by clicking the gear icon. From here, administrators can create and manage all groups. Let's see how a user can purchase a course for a group and then create and manage their team. For this demonstration, we have several paid courses available in our Academy. As you can see, there are many paid courses here. Let's select a course. When you open a single course, you'll see a clear preview of the course content and its pricing model, offering both individual and team options. Let's proceed with the team option. The team owner will need to specify the number of seats required, select New Group, and provide a group name. After clicking Add to Cart, you'll see a preview of the group name and seat capacity in your cart. Proceed with a simple checkout process. Provide the necessary information and click Place Order. Once your order is successfully placed, you're ready to manage your group. Let's log into the dashboard to manage your newly created group. If it's your first time logging in, you'll need to reset your account password. Simply enter the email you used during checkout and click Get New Password. A password reset link will be sent to your email. Open the email, click the reset link, and set your desired password. Now, head back to the login page. Enter your email and the new password you just set, then click Login. Welcome to your personalized dashboard. Move to the Group Plus option. Here, you'll see the group name you set when purchasing the course for your team. To manage your team, click on Edit Group. You can edit the group name and view the purchased course and seat limit. You can also add more group leaders if needed. Now, let's create a team. Provide a team name and you're done. Your team is created. Next, move to the Manage Team option. Here, we'll assign courses and members to this team. First, assign the course from the Course tab. Now, you can add team leaders from the Team Leader tab, either from existing users or by creating new ones. Finally, let's add members. Enter the member's name, email, username, and password, then click Add Member. The member will be instantly added to the team and will gain immediate access to the course. Let's see how a member accesses the course with their account login. After logging in, the member will see their enrolled course appear under the Enrolled Courses option. Interesting, isn't it? Let's take a quick look at how all groups appear in the Academy Owner Admin dashboard in Academy LMS. The administrator can see a listed overview of all groups within the Academy. Administrators can also create groups manually if needed. They can add courses from the overall course catalog in the Academy for a specific group and set a seat limit. Similarly, they can add group leaders from existing user lists or manually. Finally, they can add a team with a name and add team members as well. Academy LMS Group Plus now offers the complete power to run a system for selling courses to teams. We hope this helps. Thank you for being with Academy LMS. Stay subscribed for the next exciting updates.